where the oil engine division manufactures diesel engines, industrial shunting locomotives, marine auxiliary generating sets, and torque converters. Diesel engines are manufactured in two ranges. Within each range, the design embodies the same basic components and ensures that the maximum number of parts is common to all engines. The C range of inline 4, 6 and 8-cylinder diesels are naturally aspirated or pressure charged. They power a wide variety of automotive, earth-moving, industrial, railway, oil field and marine equipment. The higher-powered D-range V-form diesels are very compact and ideally suited for industrial, railway and marine uses. The company has been foremost in applying the higher-speed diesels for main generating purposes in merchant ships such as Cunard's new cargo liner, Saxonia. In all parts of the world and in all climates, from hauling asbestos ore in sub-zero temperatures in Canada to transporting cattle across the hot and waterless Australian bush, the company's diesels are setting new standards of economical, reliable and abundant power. Similar engines are used to power many other kinds of transport, from the latest road passenger coaches to shunting locomotives produced by the company and diesel rail cars. The oil engine division also designs and manufactures complete rail traction units, in which the drive from a diesel engine is transmitted via a torque converter to the driving wheels of a complete bogie unit, ready for installation in rail cars or locomotives. Miles northeast of Shrewsbury, at Crewe, the motorcar division manufactures a range of military and commercial petrol engines, producing powers between 80 and 235 horsepower. These B-range engines are produced in 4, 6 and 8-cylinder units and are fully adaptable to many different applications. More than 38,000 of these engines have been produced, and they're in service in over 75 countries. On aerodromes, for example, they're used to power aircraft tugs, emergency tenders, aircraft ground starter units, in fact, anything that requires a reliable and economical source of power for special duties under difficult conditions. These petrol engines were designed for military applications, to operate continuously at high power and to withstand rough usage over long periods. Use of common components greatly reduces the number of engine spares required. These advantages have resulted in the standardization of the company's engines for all types of wheeled combat vehicle in the British Army, and their selection also by 21 other armies. A completely new type of power plant is the 240 horsepower K-range military multi-fuel engine. This opposed piston two-stroke diesel is in production for the British and Swedish armies. Its applications include the Abbott self-propelled gun. The K engine operates on diesel oil, aviation kerosene or petrol and provides high power for low weight and bulk. Crewe is of course the home of the motorcar division. Here and in London at H.J. Mulliner Park Ward Limited, a subsidiary company specializing in coach building, Rolls Royce and Bentley cars are made with only one consideration: perfection. The spirit of Sir Henry Royce is very much in evidence throughout these workshops, in the building of individual cars for individual people, with the accent on individual craftsmanship. The integrity of the product is the guiding principle of all divisions within the organization. In maintaining this tradition, the company employs an exceptionally high proportion of personnel on research and development.